up studying in Jam Sabron English High School Sharjah Boys. Today, I would like to talk about the wonderful festival celebrated by Muslims all around the world, Eid. It's a time of joy, happiness and togetherness. In the UAE, Eid is not just a festival. It's a time when the whole country comes alive with joy and excitement. It's a celebration that brings friends, families and communities closer together. Eid marks the end of Ramadan, the holy month of fasting and prayer for Muslims. Throughout Ramadan, people in the UAE, like in many other parts of the world, fast from dawn until sunset. It's a time of spiritual reflection, self-discipline and generosity. On the day of Eid, Muslims wake up early, put on their best clothes and head to the mosque for a special prayer called Eid Salah. After the prayer, families and friends come together to enjoy delicious food and sweets. It's a time to visit relatives, exchange gifts and share happiness with everyone around. One of the most exciting parts of Eid for children is receiving Eid, which are gifts or money given by elders as a token of love and blessings. It's like getting a little gift to make the day even more special. But Eid in the UAE is not just about festivities. It's also a time to give back for the community. So, during Eid, many people in the UAE generously donate to charity, ensuring that everyone can partake in the joy of the celebration. Eid holds a special place in the hearts of people in the UAE because it embodies the values of compassion, unity and generosity, which are deeply rooted in Emirati culture. It's a time to reflect on these values and strive to uphold them not just during Eid but throughout the year. So, whether you're celebrating Eid or not, let's all take a moment to appreciate the rich cultural tapestry of the UAE and the beautiful traditions that bring us together as one community.